Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Supra versus BMW M3. We'll start by looking at their performance capabilities. The Supra, with its turbocharged inline-six engine, offers an impressive 382 horsepower and thrilling acceleration. However, the M3 steps it up with a more potent twin-turbo inline-six, delivering up to 523 horsepower. Both cars are engineered for speed, ensuring an exciting ride, with the M3 capable of reaching 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.8 seconds. Next, let's explore their driving dynamics and handling. The Supra is celebrated for its nimble chassis and near 50-50 weight distribution, making it incredibly agile and fun on twisty roads. The M3, on the other hand, features a more aggressive, track-tuned suspension and razor-sharp steering, providing exceptional control and confidence during spirited driving. Both vehicles are designed to deliver an engaging and responsive feel behind the wheel. Moving inside, we examine the interior and practicality of each car. The Supra presents a snug, driver-focused two-seater cockpit, adorned with high-quality materials and a sporty design, offering 2 cubic feet of cargo space. In contrast, the M3 provides a more spacious and versatile cabin, comfortably seating 5 adults and integrating advanced technology throughout, with up to 9 cubic feet of trunk volume. While both vehicles boast premium finishes and intuitive infotainment systems, the M3 clearly holds an advantage in terms of passenger capacity and everyday usability. Finally, let's consider value and our concluding thoughts. The Toyota Supra generally comes with a more accessible starting price, around $57,000, making it an attractive option for performance enthusiasts seeking great value. The BMW M3, while more expensive, starting around $77,000, justifies its cost with superior power, advanced features, and a more luxurious experience. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities: pure driving fun or a blend of performance and practicality. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.